What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Got a great video for you guys today. We're going to be discussing which is more profitable in these current times, Uber or Lyft. Definitely excited to share this one with you guys. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. Solo is a great way to simply make more money as a rideshare driver. You get access to guaranteed pay, which is an incredible feature. On top of that, they say the average solo driver makes at least an extra $5K a year, which is some really, really good money. One of the best parts though is our listeners are gonna get $10 just for signing up for free using our link in the description below. Check that out, let's dive in. So to me, the answer to this question is interesting because I'm always gonna say you should utilize both apps. My Uber bookings are usually like 3x my Lyft bookings. So to me, Uber's always been the busier app, but that doesn't necessarily mean the more profitable app. Now, when I break down my earnings, what's interesting is I usually make about $1 or $2 more per hour from Lyft than I do from Uber. But here's what's weird, is that doesn't actually come from the base fare. That's usually coming from tips. So for a while, my conspiracy mind was like, oh, Lyft has the better tippers. And maybe if I drive a full shift of Lyft every day and just didn't use the Uber app, I would make more from tips alone. But to me, that's outlandish to assume that that could actually be the case. I think it's really just gonna depend on any given Sunday who you're picking up, right? So, for me, the answer is actually pretty simple though, for one reason. Uber is still the more profitable app from the sense that you're gonna get way more bonuses. From what I've seen, I still get at least a quest once a week, a couple of consecutive ride bonuses. Lyft, dead. They never offer me anything. Lyft, I'll be honest, like the way I look at Lyft right now is really just to kind of supplement my Uber rides. And if I want to crank out a long shift one day, like really long shift, I can use Lyft to alleviate some of the driver clock from the Uber app so that I can get a more maximized day if I want to push like a 14-hour day. And to me, a lot of times that is worth it to do because I can make a lot more money like pushing 30 hours Friday and Saturday than I'd get pushing 30 hours Monday through Thursday, you know? So if I divide up that time Monday through Thursday, I don't usually do as well. Whereas if I crank out those 2 long shifts on Friday and Saturday, I make a lot better money. And a lot of times it's pretty substantial. Like it's like an extra $200 or $300. So in my opinion, and this might just be my markets, but Lyft is really just not even in competition with Uber anymore. I have heard there's some markets where it just absolutely kills. But for me, I still make a significant amount more money on Uber, but I do always get better tips on Lyft. Can't tell you why. Maybe I'm just a way better person for the Lyft ride. But anyways, guys, I would say stick with the Uber app for now if you want to know what's going to really make you more money in these current times. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments. If you feel like there's some cities where Lyft does a lot better, let us know so that other drivers can look into that as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out Solo in the description below. Get that free $10 just for signing up. And I will talk to you guys soon.